and the masters of the universe. I am Adam, Prince of Eternia and defender of the secrets of Castle Grayskull. This is Cringer, my fearless friend. Fabulous secret powers were revealed to me the day I held aloft my magic sword and said, "By the power of Grayskull!" Cringer became the mighty Battle Cat, and I became Hi Mena, the most powerful man in the universe. Only 3 others share this secret. Our friends, the Sorceress, Man-at-Arms, and Orko. Together we defend Castle Grayskull from the evil forces of Skeletor.
They've seen us. Good. If He-Man is at the palace, we'll draw him out for sure.
It's Triclops.
And Trapjaw!
By the power of Grayskull!
Mind if I tag along?
All right, but hang on tight. If we can just get his engine, we can force him to land.
Fire away, He-Man. I can see every move long before you make it.
You can see everything, Triclops, except what's right in front of you.
Huh? What?
Hold it. Unless you want me to use this freeze ray, you'll come quietly.
After all this trouble, Skeletor's plan had better work.
It's Trapjaw!
You forgot about me, didn't you?
Here's where I give you the hook, Trapjaw.
Here I am, hero. Come and get me here. I'll go easy on you, He-Man. Your sword against my energy hook.
Whatever you say, Metal Mouth. What is this?
He-Man!
I'll go after him. Let him go. I have what I came for. At long last, my revenge against He-Man will be complete.
Skeletor. I should have known.
Your mistake will cost you dearly, old enemy. I'm about to rid Eternia of your hated presence forever. you'll feel nothing, He-Man. But you will no longer be a problem to me. By the powers of darkness, evil, and fear, I command He-Man's memory to now disappear.
Oh no, what have they done?
Doorway, now prove that Skeletor is clever. Sweep He-Man inside you and hold him forever!
Where did he go?
To the crossroads of all universes, where he is destined to spend the rest of his days wandering an alien world, not knowing who he is or where he came from. And now...
Skeletor! Stay right where you are!
Let me take care of them.
Oh, no you don't.
Huh?
We've done what we came to do. Let's go!
Skeletor! Evelyn! Hey, what about me?
And don't get any smart ideas about biting through the bars, because they're electrically charged.
That takes care of Trapjaw and Triclops, but what about He-Man?
I'm going with Orko and the others to speak to the sorceress, but frankly, Skeletor's spell might even be beyond her powers.
It is a most difficult problem, my friends. With all the vast number of worlds that make up the universe, finding the one He-Man landed on would be virtually impossible.
There must be something we can do.
Well, there is one being I know who observes all that happens in the cosmos. Only he could point the way to He-Man now. Zadatak, rider of the cosmic spaceways, appear for us. We need you. My thanks, Zadatak, for coming so quickly.
With the fate of Eternia's champion at stake, I could do no less.
Oh, gee, Mr. Zadatak. Sir, could you really bring back He-Man?
Though I observe all that happens in the cosmos, Orko, I cannot use my powers to change things. I can, however, give you this. The wand will work with your magic and will guide you. I can tell you no more than that.
You mean we have to depend on Orko's magic? Oh, we're doomed.
Orko, Cringer, and Ram-Man must make the journey. You will be needed here, Man-at-Arms.
I understand.
Now hurry, my friends. I sense He-Man is in great danger.
Where am I? What am I doing with this? Wait, don't run away. What are you creatures?
Stop! What are you doing? You must be one of Plunder's evil goons. Well, I know how to deal with you, monster. I went easy on you this time. But if I ever see you harming another Schminovit...
But I've never seen those creatures before. I don't even know where I am.
And I suppose you're not one of Plunder's hench thugs,
No, I don't know who I am. You remind me of someone. Someone I knew back on...
Now that you mention it, you do look like a stranger to these parts. Why don't you come with me, and we'll see if we can figure out where you belong.
Yes.
So that whiny do-gooder, Gleedle, has found herself a new friend. He's a powerful-looking brute, whatever he is. Such a creature might be of great use to me. Me, Plunder the Spoiler.
Oh, no, I'm not going.
Oh, come on, you big fraidy cat.
But I hate going through the time corridor.
It's He-Man's only chance, my friends. Good luck.
Remember, little one, He-Man will not know you when you find him. Tell him to talk of home, and perhaps it will help him remember.
Talk of home? I got it. I think.
But I get travel sick when I time travel.
Farewell, my friends.
Hey, this is fun.
Oh, let me out. I want to go home.
Relax, Cringer. We probably won't meet anything more dangerous than a rabbit. I hope.
This is the only way to fly.
I think I'm getting travel sick.
Look, guys. Zodak's wand is glowing. We must be close to He-Man. Hang on!
Wow!
Oof. Oh, I thought we cats always landed on our feet.
We're here. Wherever here is.
Hey, guys! Look at that swell back scratcher someone lost.
That's no back scratcher. It's He-Man's sword. Can you follow his scent?
Well, I have a little cold, but I'll give it a try.
Do you live here?
Yes. This planet is called Tradus. My name is Gleedle. I look after the animals that live here. What's left of them, anyway.
What happened?
Once Tradus was a beautiful green world. But that was before Plunder took over. He used his evil machines to cut down the forests and spoil the rivers. With their homes and water gone, the animals had to move on. Some of the animals died out completely, thanks to Plunder's destruction. These pictures are all that's left of them.
This one reminds me of...
Plunder's droids!
How did I do that?
No, no, sleep smoke!
Still no other sign of He-Man.
This planet is so dirty I can hardly smell anything.
We've just gotta find him.
It's a monster.
I don't think this friendly pooch would hurt anyone. In fact, maybe you could ask him if he's seen He-Man, Cringer.
Growl? Snarl? He says his mistress and He-Man were taken away by a giant robot.
Oh, rise and shine. Time to get up. Greetings, stranger. I am Plunder, the rightful ruler of Trainers.
The rightful destroyer, you mean?
Oh, since you don't like what I've done to the outside, Gleedle, you'll be happy to know I've got a lovely spot picked out for you in my dungeon. You don't have to share Gleedle's fate, stranger. How would you like to help me become the richest man in the universe?
What do you mean?
In this container is the life force of this planet. Using my evil powers, I've turned it into a magic liquid which I can sell for millions, even billions. I'll make a fortune.
You destroy a whole world just for wealth and treasures?
I'd do anything for that.
He says He-Man is inside that frightening place.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's knock him out of there.
No, Ram Man. We've got to play it smart. Sneak up on him and take him by surprise.
Well, stranger, what is your answer going to be? I could use those muscles of yours.
I may not remember where I came from or even what my name is, but I know what you're doing to this world is wrong.
Then you and Gleedle can both stay in my dungeon forever. What's happening?
He-Man, look, it's us.
He-Man?
My robot guards will take care of you intruders.
He-Man, can't you remember anything?
Do I know you?
Zadatak said I should talk of home, and your memory might come back.
But I can't remember where my home is.
I'll take care of these guys.
Speak of home, speak of home. Of course! Where else would you be more at home than Castle Grayskull? Quick, follow me!
Help! Help!
Now hold the sword up and say, by the power of Grayskull!
By the power of Grayskull! Orko!
Hooray! The power of Grayskull brought your memory back. Now let's go to work. We need your help.
Those aliens are turning my robots to junk, but they won't get my magic liquid. If I can't get rich from my magic liquid, then nobody will have it.
Time to get off this joyride.
Thanks to you, He-Man, our world is pure and clean again.
And once Plunder's evil factory is destroyed, your planet should be totally back to normal.
As a matter of fact, I have an unwilling volunteer working on that right now.
That reminds me, we have a score to settle with an old friend named Skeletor back on our world. Is the time corridor ready for Eternia, Orko?
All set. But where's Ram Man?
I'll say one thing for these guys. They sure know how to have fun.
Come on, friends. Let's go home.
In today's story, He-Man came to the aid of a planet whose natural resources were being wasted. Unfortunately, this same waste is happening now, and not on a distant planet, but right here on Earth. We must respect the plants and animals before they disappear, as some species already have. There's beauty all around us. Protect it before it's too late.